on this one. It's fine. It's okay, I think it Hi everyone, it's a wonderful day, right? I'm really excited to see the bright minds from the industry gathered in this room for this SONiC Summit. Thank you Microsoft for organizing such a great event for the third time. I'm proud that I have participated in all the three. We are here today to discuss about enabling SONiC with edge networking and SONiC-PENS work group. We will walk you over the evolution of SONiC from the data centers to the edge networks. Myself, Kasi from AVIZ Networks, and I have Tarun on my side from my team. The agenda is pretty simple. It's post-lunch session. So we will talk about us, who we are, then the SONiC-PENS work group, and the customer use cases and the deployment, then finally call to action. I think since morning there are a lot of call to actions. Plus one from my side. About AVIZ, we are from AVIZ Networks, a company founded with a mission to bridge the gap between open source, networking SONiC, and enterprise production needs. Over the years, we have partnered with multiple networking vendors, ASIC vendors, the manufacturers, hyperscalers, to expand the SONiC ecosystem. Our vision, hardware agnostic networking software stack for the AI networking. We are the early members of SONiC and the contributors of SONiC community and the Linux Foundation. We have a bigger names as our investors, you can see on the board, and we have channel partners across the globe. About SONiC-PENS work group. So let's start with SONiC. So what is SONiC? So we all talk about SONiC, right? SONiC doesn't really need an introduction. So we have seen the evolution of SONiC from data center solutions to the enterprises and the edge requirements. So what is PENS? PENS stands for PoE Edge Network with SONiC, so which was founded by us. We are the initiators. So it's a work group. The main focus of this work group is to bring the edge features into the SONiC releases, right? So this started from 2024-11, and 2025 is the latest release, and then the roadmap we have 2025-11. The momentum is real. We are seeing the active contributions from the community. Currently, we have more than 85 plus members contributing to this work group. So we as the initiators, we conduct the bi-weekly meetings and then track the complete workflow. So the primary goal, just now what I discussed, right? So the primary goal of this group is to bring the edge features into the SONiC release. So the edge features are like PoEs, power over Ethernet, and along with that there are some other extra features, right? There are differences between data center, right? So data centers are mostly server to server, east to west traffic. On the edge it is north to south, the end user connectivity. So to enable that, there are protocols like spanning tree protocol, PVSTs, MSTPs. On the security side, it's .1x and PAC, the port access control. Since PoE is a hardware driven, so the PoE driver support is needed. So PoE driver infra support, then contributions. So we as a group, as a community, so we are the initiator, like I said. So we do the code reviews, PRs, and HLD reviews. The whole process we expedite the whole process basically. And we spread this word across multiple events. So we are here at SONiC Summit today, and we recently talked about this PENS group in OCP 2025. The same thing has been released last year in the press. So key accomplishments. So the 2025 was the latest release, right? So we, as part of the PENS group, we did a review of PVST, MSTP kind of features, and high-level discussions of PACs and SAI POE reviews, especially the SONiC profiling feature. So we track and coordinate and expedite the whole process of PENS. Okay. Now, how this PENS group, which is helping the community, right? So how the features which we are developed as part of SONiC from the PENS group, how it is deployed in the customer, and how the customers are using it, and what is the customer use case. So that Tarun will discuss about more details on how it is deployed on the customer. Okay. Yeah. Over to you, Tarun. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Kasi. So let's see this closer to reality with a customer use case. So we had a customer requirement with the below feature set. So whenever community SONiC is deployed, customers typically leverage two feature sets. On the data center fabric side, SONiC supports a full hyperscale grade feature list, whereas on the management fabric side, the focus is little different here. So rather than focusing on the scale, we need to, our priority is over the resiliency and availability. Okay. So we deployed community SONiC on the customer site on the both on the data center fabric as well as the management fabric side. So on the data center fabrics side, it is a classic spine leaf architecture. So we have BGP unnumbered running on the all the leaves and in the underlay, and then L3 VXLAN we are running as the overlay, and static anycast feature, static anycast gateway we are running as a servers connectivity gateway for the servers, so that like we have seamless VM migrations. For operational resiliency, we are using DHCP relay, that is over the SAG interfaces, and BFD and SNMP and TACACs are some other management related features we use. And on top of that, we run ZTP for day 0 and day 1 automation. On the left side, like we see the management fabric, where we have the aggregation switches on the top, and then multiple access switches connected to the AG switch. And then together this management fabric provides out of band access to the data center fabric switches and servers. So in order to have this network highly available, we are running both VRRP and PVST. So whenever one of the AG switch goes down, so the second AG switch should take over the traffic. And since this is a pure L2 network and we have multiple redundant links, PVST comes in action, and then we have a loop-free network. So what's exciting here is the PVST feature we completely adopted from SONiC-PENS working group. So which means like SONiC is not just deployed on the data center side, but it is evolving on the edge use cases as well. So with the help of PVST, and these are the few use cases which we achieved. So we are running PVSC instances on multiple VLANs, independent instances on multiple VLANs. And then we are ensuring the STP states are updated properly on the SONiC databases and hardware. Okay. And then we are fine-tuning the topology, the STP topology, by altering the bridge priority, port priority, and STP cost. And we are running port fast feature on the server facing interfaces, so that they come up instantly. Those interfaces will come up instantly. And also we are ensuring the PVST states are persistent across config reload and device reboots. Okay, so coming to the challenges, like see a recurring challenge we see in community meetings is like how can we get quick code reviews done and then approvals secured. So we request everyone to join or make use of the community effectively. So let's join the community meetings and then have the feedback shared early so that we can expedite the code reviews and approvals in a quick way. So we suggest like we attend the community meetings and then consolidate the feedback and then share it to the repo owner for quick traction on it. The similar approach we like to follow with the HLDs as well, HLD reviews. Okay, so SONiC-PENS 2024-11 release shares us some of the exciting features here. PoE being the power on Ethernet, so which provides power directly to the edge devices with the switch. So this opens up the use cases for the IoT as well as the edge devices. And a few other L2 protocols which we support are STP, MSTP and PVST. And port access control and static lag are the few other features. Okay. For 2025-05 release, these are the priority items which are in focus. So supporting LLDP power via MDI support, and on the L2 side, we are making few enhancements on the RSTP. And SONiC image optimization is one other key important feature here. Like we are able to have a 30% reduction in the final image, the SONiC build image. Okay, so coming to the next release, right, 2025-11. So the features which are in the pipeline are SONiC profiling, and then IGMP snooping is other notable feature we want to support. And SONiC management side, we want to have L2 and L2 PVST cases covered as part of automation, test automation. Okay, so call to action. So we request everyone to join SONiC-PENS working group. So moderators are happy to help the contributors as well. And all the required info is available, updated in the wiki, and it is open. And let's join and then contribute to SONiC-PENS working group. Yeah. So imagine like you want to access or you want to evaluate SONiC, not just the theory, but on the real hardware of your choice. So AVIZ enables that for you with the help of Open Network Experience Center. In short, One Center we call it. So please reach out to us, like we can enable that access for you. So we support on the multi-vendor devices. So this is not just an AVIZ initiative, but OCP has recognized this as one of the forefront of network innovation. So yeah, thank you, and any questions?